Let's sing the ABC song together. La 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 la. A is for apple, apple. B is for ball, ball. C is for cat, cat. D is for doll, doll. E is for elephant, elephant. F is for fish, fish. G is for gorilla, gorilla. H is for hat, hat. La 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 la. I is for igloo, igloo. J is for juice, juice. K is for koala, koala. L is for lion, lion. M is for monkey, monkey. N is for nest, nest. O is for octopus, octopus. P is for pig, pig. La 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 la. Q is for queen. R is for rabbit, rabbit. S is for sun, sun. T is for tiger, tiger. U is for umbrella, umbrella. V is for volcano, volcano. W is for whale, whale. X is for X-ray, X-ray. Y is for yo-yo, yo-yo. Z is for zoo, zoo. La 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 la. A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? A B C D E F G H I J K L M N O P Q R S T U V W X Y and Z. Now I know my ABCs. Next time, won't you sing with me? A is for apple, crunchy and red. B is for ball, bouncing on your head. C is for cat with whiskers so neat. D is for duck quacking in the street. A is for apple, crunchy and red. B is for ball, bouncing on your head. C is for cat with whiskers so neat. D is for duck quacking in the street. E is for elephant, big and gray. F is for fish, swimming all day. G is for green grass in the park. H is for hat, where it's dark. I is for ice cream, cold and sweet. J is for jump, off your 2 feet. K is for kite, flying high in the sky.
is for octopus in the deep blue sea. P is for penguin waddling merrily. Q is for queen, regal and fair. R is for rainbow colors in the air. S is for sun shining so bright. T is for turtle, slow day and night. U is for umbrella, shelter from rain. V is for violin, a musical refrain. W is for whale, majestic in the sea. X for xylophone, notes play free. Y is for yo-yo, up and down it goes. Z is for zebra, in black and white rose. Dance, 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 dance. C is for yo-yo, up and down it goes. Oh, C is for zebra in black. Oh, ABC, so easy and fun. Learning our letters one by one from A to Z. Come sing with me the alphabet song. It's as easy as can be. Colors, colors all around. Let's name them safe and sound. Learning colors one by one with each one. Let's have some fun. Red like a juicy apple, ripe and sweet. Blue like the sky where the birds tweet. Yellow like the sun, shining bright. Green like the grass, such a lovely sight. Colors, colors all around. Let's name them safe and sound. Learning colors one by one with each one. Let's have some fun. Orange like a tiger, bold and strong. Purple like grapes in a vineyard lawn. Pink like a flower, blooming in spring. Brown like a bear, cuddling thing. Colors, colors everywhere. Let's name them without a care. Learning colors as we play in our colorful worlds every day. Black like the night when the stars shine bright. White like snow glistening in the light. Gray like a cloud floating in the sky. Rainbow colorful worlds flying high.